Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Motions Biz, and thank you so much for supporting this channel. And I know that many of you are new, but I'm really uh, very thankful that you are here. And what I share here are just very basic information about my personal experience with Navy Federal and what our community members have also shared. So if you are not a subscriber yet, please go ahead and subscribe if you find value in it. So again, another very basic information that I am sure will be very helpful for those who are new to Navy Federal or who have been with Navy Federal for so long but have not really taken advantage of its products to give you a better chance for enjoying its other products like the personal loan, the auto loan, mortgage, the credit cards, especially. And I was just talking to a family member a few days ago at a gathering, and this person has been with Navy Federal for 8 years, have never done a pledge loan, doesn't have a credit card because of very low score. So he is my little experiment currently. So we tried to establish a few things on his account. We got started with those things, and in a few months, hopefully he would be able to change his credit profile. But anyway, I would like to thank Anonymous65 because he shared a very great hack that I tried to take a screenshot of his comment and the hack that he shared, but I could no longer find it in all the comments. I wish I'd really taken a screenshot of it when he made that comment, but it goes like this. Okay, there is a hack that you can do with a pledge loan and the Nrewards secured credit card. And his thing and his thoughts and his idea was when you do a pledge loan, you are new to Navy Federal, you've done a pledge loan, and you have paid off 90% of that pledge loan. You can use that amount to fund your Nrewards secured credit card with Navy Federal if you qualified for it and if you did not qualify for anything else. Just because those two Navy Federal products side by side are amazing credit profile boosters, not just on your personal credit profile, but with Navy Federal as well. Now, first, let's discuss the pledge loan only a little bit because I know I have a long playlist of pledge loans and I always talk about the pledge loans because the thing is, I am just amazed how a lot of people do not take advantage of it. My goodness, it is just there. It is so easy to make. It is so easy to just call Navy Federal and do that. We have just extra cash laying around that you can use to actually manufacture a trade line that can boost your personal credit score. So instead of going out there paying for credit repair services, very expensive credit repair services, why don't you get started with something as simple as making a pledge loan? And it doesn't even have to be so much to get started with because the minimum pledge loan you can make is $250. Now, the benefit of that is that the pledge loan, again, is an installment loan and it reports on-time payments on your personal credit profile. And remember, on-time payments definitely is 35% of your credit score. That is one thing right there. That's the best benefit you can ever get. The next benefit for that is that you are using another product from Navy Federal. So that adds to your internal credit score because denial letters sometimes would contain information like not enough products used from Navy Federal. So why not take advantage of that? If you are a new member, you just got to started with Navy Federal, you haven't ever done a pledge loan, ever. So do it right away. I think you should get started with that. And if you have the ability to do the longer term, go for it. The longer term actually benefits you in the long run compared to small amounts of pledge loans. But whatever works for you. If you have not yet and you're not familiar with pledge loans, check my pledge loan playlist in the description below. I will include that link and learn about the pledge loans. Take advantage of credit beginners, or credit rebuilders. Why don't you take advantage of it? It is so easy to do. That's the benefit of the pledged loan. Now, the Nrewards, on the other hand, let's say you've already been with Navy Federal, you did the pre-qualification, and you only qualified for the Nrewards secured credit card. And a lot of folks may say it's only an Nrewards secured credit card. If it's the only thing you qualified, I still would recommend you to go for it. The Nrewards credit card is a great stepping stone to opportunities with Navy Federal later, because even as a secured credit card, you can actually decide how much deposit you want to put in that credit card, and it will be reporting on your personal credit profile as a revolving account. And other institutions, it is not easy to get approved for a secured credit card. Not everybody offers it, and others may offer it but will charge you and hit you with a lot of extra fees. So with Navy Federal, no fees right there. It is so easy to get. And the thing is, it can actually graduate later on, and it can even be doubled in 3 months if they see that your activity is really very good with that credit card. You use it, you pay it off, you use it, you pay it off again, and keep that utilization down, okay? So the benefit of the Nrewards credit card, again, is that it is a revolving account. And even if it is a secured credit card, it will report on your credit profile, on your personal credit profile, as a revolving account. It will not say whether it's secured or not. So those two right there, the pledge loan being an installment loan, reporting on-time payments every month, your Nrewards secured credit card reporting on-time payments every month. So of course, do not be late. So you have an installment account that's reporting on-time payments, 35%. Another revolving account that's also reporting 35% on-time payments, to your that adds to your credit score. And you have two credit mixes right there. You have two different types of loans, an installment loan and a revolving account. So if you do it right and you play your cards right and you really are into it and work on it, those are two amazing credit builders. So this is always the preliminary recommendations that I actually give. And this actually happened just the other day at my niece's birthday party. We were talking a lot about Navy Federal, asking a lot of this information. So I wanted to share this information, not just for them, but also to anybody out there who are just looking for something that can help them get started, okay? You don't have to jump into the big credit cards right away. Work on your personal credit profile first and your internal credit score with Navy Federal, and the rest just follows. So again, these two products are just amazing things that you can start very low, but it can make a big impact to your personal credit profile and internal score with Navy Federal. I also am aware that many of you are already very familiar with this and already have the high limit credit cards because of your efforts and what you did. And in fact, you share your experiences here, you share your journey, and we all learn from that in the comment section. So again, just a simple little thing that I thought I would put out there. It's because of what happened 2 days ago at a family gathering, okay? So anyway, if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for a video that you would like to discuss, thank you so much again. I would love to hear from you. And again, to Anonymous65, thank you for sharing that information. And although I could not find your comment anymore, I still want to thank you because of your comment and your idea that you shared. I came up with this content, okay? And my next video will be about the Nrewards credit card and how it graduates. And I will also base it on my daughter's experience that she now has 2 cash rewards credit cards, okay? So I am sure that it's just very informative, and I will be talking about that on my next video or upcoming videos. And I very much appreciate you for tuning into the channel. It's always a privilege to be able to talk to you guys and share ideas with you, because I know that when I put out a video, we have a lot of comments from experienced and seasoned Navy Federal members who actually share nuggets right here. And again, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, And until next time, this is Motions Biz.